I hope all are doing good. Thank you for joining me. Are you ready to learn the new sound? Today we are going to learn the sound of these two letters. There are C, K, two letters, but it makes one sound. Are you ready to learn? Very good. If I say like this, it's my turn. If I say like this, it's your turn. C, K together makes the sound Great job. In any of the word, if you see C, K together, you have to pronounce the sound as very good. So, you know how to write the letter C and you know how to write the letter K. Let us write C, K together. But remember one thing, C, K together, K sound will come in the end of the word only. Okay? Good job. I will take my magic pen and magic paper. I will write with my magic pen. You also take out your magic pen and paper. Okay? C, K. C, K. C, K. Good job. I will write on this paper now. C, K. C, K. Excellent. Now let us see which words have K sound in the end of the word. Okay? Do you know what is this? Brick. Brick. K sound in the end of the word. Brick. Brick. Now, what am I doing here? Which action is this? Pick. 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 Very good. Now, I am going to give tick. 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 Yes. Now, what is this called? Back. 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 Let's revise these words. Okay? Brick. Pick. Tick. Back. Good job. Now let's read the words. Repeat after me. Pack. Pack. Pick. Tack. Tick. Nick. Let's read fast. Pack. Pack. Tick. Tack. Tick. Nick. Excellent. So, what have we learned today? We have learned the sound of C, K together. Good job. Today you are going to practice all these words. We will meet in the next lesson with another sound. Bye bye. Happy learning.